Viewer discretion is advised. Hello people and welcome to Called by Police channel, a channel that features only the best moments caught in interaction with police officers. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit subscribe button.
Hi. Let me see your fucking hands. Don't move. Crawl this way. Try to run, you're gonna get fucking tased. Come on.
Today's episode is all about police arrests and some other dramatic situations. And you guess what? They are all caught by police. In first video, officers were advised that the suspects were potentially armed. APD's air unit was then requested to assist with apprehending the wanted subject, as he is known to flee when officers approach.
I got you. You see my hand, lady? Tell him I'm right here. What the hell going on, lady?
And it's going to be to your right. It's a
Where's your gun at? Huh? You got a gun? No, ma'am.
It's going to be to the right of you in that breezeway.
Get up. Tell him I got him.
What up, Dominic?
Breezeway on the right hand side. Make sure you be able to
I got a mag up here.
There's a magazine over here.
Yeah, I got one here too.
And up there. It's right here.
Got it?
There's one. We got
that's
one
it.
gun. I know you have one. That's why you're smiling. See? You want a bet?
Copy that, I got it. 69 recovered. Hey! One for the good guys! One for the good guys! Woo! Oh!
Alright, they're starting to move away from that red truck. From the driver's side of the red truck, they're walking away to the 9 o'clock. Alright, you're gonna make that right?
He's coming now. He's coming back into the city.
Alright, they're running right now, right towards another patrol unit. The one in all black just ran through the breezeway. The one that's on the ground looks like he's something in the breezeway right before.
The driver initially pulled over and stopped. However, moments later decided to flee from the scene. The officer cancelled his traffic stop and gave a "be on the lookout" via radio dispatch. As the officer continued driving, he noticed that the suspect vehicle had crashed and sustained significant front-end damage.
No, the unit's pulling in that parking lot now. The unit that just pulled in, and the truck straight in front of you, all the way back to the left. If we can just get a 6-7 while they check and make sure this isn't a person.
Hey, this is the Atlanta Police Department. Come out with your hands up now. Hi. Let me see your fucking hands. Don't move. Crawl this way. Try to run.
You can't see me! You can't see me, folks!
Try to run, you're gonna get fucking tased. Come on. Crawl out. This way, over here. Crawl. Keep crawling.
Stay to the ground. Roll over. On your stomach. On your stomach.
Try and get her up now.
Other hand back here. Other hand back here. Hey, we got one there.
This woman and her husband were wanted for stealing a vehicle and using the credit card inside it to run up $740 in charges. Tell us in the comments, what do you think about this woman's behavior?
7614, so one detained. Send me units.
No.
315. Put your hands behind your back, ma'am.
Kill me.
Don't resist.
I want to die. Kill me, motherfucker, 'cause I'm gonna kill you.
Ma'am, let go. Stop.
Shoot me. Shoot me.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Relax.
Get me out of this car. I hang myself with you. Get me out of this car. No.
3610, show my arrival. Responding units listed the perimeter on this building and can anybody provide a board of?
Get me out.
Yeah. Get.
I'm not supposed to be in this car. Get me out of this car. Get me out of this car.
Question out, 13-5 says someone Street at the rear.
Hispanic male, yellow t-shirt, black pants.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
This
is the one? What happened? Hold on.
Yeah, hold here for a second. They're taking into custody. On the 413 and 7. Okay, so you're straight.
And with this clip, we reach the end of another episode on Caught by Police channel. Make sure to write us your opinion about it down in the comment section below. While being there, please do like and hit that subscribe button because it helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, stay safe.